Yeah, this is a quick unboxing video. I woke up the other morning and thought, damn, that's not enough power banks. I think I need a new one. So I decided to go out and treat myself to a Ugreen power bank. It's a 25,000 milliamp hour, 100 watts per USB port, I believe, and should be comparable in performance to this Anker laptop charger, which is also very similar to this EcoFlow laptop style charger with included cables. So it's a quick unbox, and I've not seen any other reviews of this particular product on here. So hopefully this is going to be at least rare if nothing else. So here we go. Oh yeah, I also got some magnetic USB adapters, so I'll try those later. I'll unbox those later. Okay, here we go. This is the Ugreen 100 watt max smart TFT safe charging laptop style included cable charger. Built-in cables, 2 built-in cables, 1 retractable. Let's open her up and have a look. Oh, there's a little flick up tab here. Which is a lot easier if you've got fingernails, I would imagine. Let's take that off. Pop up the top. Making this look like hard work, aren't I? Certainly nicely presented, nice and clean. That's the unit itself. It's got a lanyard with a USB-C or 100 watt. It's pretty long actually. I think that's longer than the Anker one, and probably longer than the EcoFlow as well. Check that out later. Slide it out. Oh, and there's a protective cover over here as well. And this one also has an extra USB-C port on the top, a USB-A port, and the retractable cable. That's about the same length as the other 2 units. Oh, it's a lovely smooth action to it though. Feels nice and good quality. Bit of weight to it. And it's come with 28% battery. I'll quickly attach it to make sure it's charging, or discharging in this case. Cycle through the screen very quickly. So it's pulling 40 watts out, which is the maximum my laptop will accept anyway. And it's saying USB-C 3, 40.6 watts out. It's showing 100% battery health and no cycle count, so it's definitely a brand new unit. Right, I'll give this thing a full discharge, a full recharge, and I'll record the watts in, watts out, work out a bit of a non-technical percentage, and at some point I'll compare it to these 2 similar style units, although I do have some other 25,000 milliamp hour units which I'll also compare to, some very good ones. This other EcoFlow unit, which works almost as the same as this one, but it has faster input and output on a single USB-C cable. I think it's 100 140 watts maximum on this, 135, and this is just 100 watts. But I'll compare them all. See you later.